Hi, friends. Today I will talk with my son about his studies. I hope our conversation will help you speak and understand English. Son, are you studying now? Yes, Dad. I'm reading my English book. Good. What chapter are you on? I'm on chapter 3. Is it easy or difficult? A little difficult, Dad. Do you understand the grammar part? Not very well. Then you should ask your teacher tomorrow. Yes, I will. Did you finish your homework? Not yet, but I'll finish soon. Don't leave it for tomorrow. Okay, Dad, I'll do it tonight. How are your math lessons going? Pretty well. I got good marks. That's great. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Dad. How many hours do you study every day? Around 2 hours. You should study at least 3 hours. I'll try, Dad. Do you study in the morning or at night? Mostly at night. Morning time is better for study. Okay, I'll try morning study too. Do you read any storybooks? Yes, sometimes. That's good. Reading improves your language. I know, Dad. I like short stories. What subject do you like most? I like science. Why do you like it? Because I love experiments. That's nice. Do you want to be a scientist? Maybe, or a teacher. Both are good choices. Work hard for your dream. I will, Dad. Don't waste time on your phone. I only use it for study. I hope so. Remember, time is precious. Yes, Dad, I'll be careful. Did you revise yesterday's lesson? Not yet. I'll do it after dinner. All right, I'll check your notebook later. Sure, Dad. Always stay focused. I will try my best. I trust you, my son. Thank you, Dad. I'll make you proud. That's what I want. Keep going. Okay, Dad, I'll study now. Good. May Allah bless you. Amin. Thank you, Dad.
Thanks for watching the full video. Tell us in the comments which topic you want English conversations on. Your opinion is very important to us.